Come to the new topic of grade 11 unit 5 states of matter NEET questions. To find the relation between the different types of speed, I mean velocity of the molecules, that is root mean square velocity or root mean square speed, average velocity or average speed, most probable velocity or a most probable speed. So let us see the value of RMS value, average velocity and most probable velocity is the root 3 RT by MS RMS value, and mu average value is the root of 8 RT by pi m, and most probable velocity is the root of 2 RT by m. So mu RMS and average velocity and most probable velocity, the values are root 3 RT by m and root 8 RT by pi m and root 2 RT by m. RT by m will be cancelled in all. We are getting root 3 and root 8 RT by m and root 2. So value of root 3 is 1.732 and value of root 2 is 1.414. Root 8 by pi m value is a root of 2.5. So 1.732 equal to 1.595 is to 1.414. In order to find out the relation between all the three, to be find out finding the ratio divided by the smallest number by all. So 1.732 divided by 1.414, 1.595 should be divided, upon 1.414, 1.414 upon a 1.414. So let us see the finding the ratio divided by the minimum number 1.732 upon 1.414, 1.595 upon 1.414, 1.414 upon a 1.414. So we are after division 1.224 is to 1.128 is to 1 is the ratio of mu RMS and average velocity and most probable velocity. So now we'll find out the relation between any two speed dividing the higher number, any two speed. So the highest number is 1.732. So 1.732 upon 1.732 and 1.595 upon 1.732 and 1.414 upon a 1.732, getting the answer 1 is to 0.921 is to 0.816. So this is the one value is a mu RMS value. 0.921 is the value of average velocity. 0.816 is the value of most probable velocity. So when you find between these two RMS and the average velocity, after cross multiplication, one average velocity is nothing but 0.921 times of mu RMS value. So if it is a mu RMS value means one average velocity by 0.921 times. Relation between same thing. So to find out the different R values, R value to be in 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, 0.0821 it is liter atmosphere, and 0.083 is nothing but bar and decimeter cube. 1.987 is in a calories. So this R value in different units, let us see in a pressure term and volume term. If the R value is in 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin, pressure term to be in a Newton per meter square or in a Pascal. So if it is in a volume term to be mentioned in a meter cube. Same way that R value is 0.082 liter atmosphere mole per Kelvin per, that pressure term to be in atmosphere, volume term to be in a liter. So 0.83 bar decimeter cube per mole per Kelvin, pressure term to be in a bar and volume term to be in a decimeter cube. So please by heart this tabular column and by heart this short form of R values I'll give you now. So gas equation, PV, ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT, R is equal to PV by NT. So only this PV will get changed. This R, no change in the number of moles, and the temperature is always in Kelvin, no change. So changes only in a pressure to be in a Newton per meter square, atmosphere and bar, and volume to be in a meter cube, liter and a decimeter cube. So now we are going to see the pressure at STP. 1 atm, 760 ter, that is 76 centimeter of mercury and 760 millimeter of mercury. So these pressures is given directly and converted into the ATM, atmospheric pressure. In the sum, 760 ter is given, immediately converted into 1 atm. 760 ter is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure. In general, 760 ter is equal to 1 atm. Therefore, 76 centimeter is equal to. So 76 into 1 divided by 760. So we are getting 0.1 value. Now it is in a volume, meter cubed or liter or decimeter cubed, milliliter or cubic centimeter, centimeter cubed or sin. So liter and decimeter cubed or sin. So 1 meter cubed is nothing but 1000 liter or 10 to the power of 3 liter, that is equal to 10 to the power of 3 decimeter cubed or 1000 decimeter cubed. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, or we can write 10 raised to the power 3, 10 to the power cube, 10 cubed milliliter. So 1000 milliliter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, or 1000 milliliter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Volume is given in the same, these above values are directly converted to the liter. Next, for the fast calculation, if your option in this in a whole number, if your option A, B, C, D options are in a whole number, please convert this in short form of 8.314. Instead of this, you just put 25 by 3, you will get the same answer. Very easily we can, multiplication, division is easy when you put 25 by 3 instead of writing 8.314. Similarly, 0.082 or 0.083 values of comes in odd value, just put 1 by 12, 1 by 12. If it is a 1.987 calorie per mole Kelvin, round up to 2 calorie per Kelvin per mole. So 1 calorie is nothing but 4.184 joules. Therefore, 1 joule equal to 1 by 4.184, we are getting 8.314. So 8.314 is divided by 4.184, you will get it in a calories, 1.987 is rounded to 2. So if it is in a kilocalorie, means 10 to the power 3 calories. So R value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilocalories. So R value is 1.987 calorie per Kelvin per mole. The unit is used for an energy question. Next, curve based questions. Let us see in a next video. Thank you, students.